Hi everyone. So you already received this mail, right? That today's session is going to be around the age of digital marketing. No, before I jump into the session, just a quick introduction from my end. I'm sure a lot of people already know me, but there would be some more people maybe who have recently joined or who still don't know me. So yes, this is me in the photograph. If I don't resemble the same, please blame my wife. I just had a haircut at home 2 days back, so looking a little different. So my journey at Team Computer. So it's been more than 3 years I'm working at Team Computer. I completed my third year last month. Overall, if you say that I've been working as a marketer since last 10 years. At Team Computers, I would say I handle a couple of roles. One is that I lead the marketing for the workspace business, which is headed by Mr. Tejas Bagadia. The second thing I have is the events part. So I manage the events across all BUs, not specific to workspace, both online and offline. Offline, we are not doing right now. You guys are aware that since the lockdown happened, we stopped doing the offline events. We're doing a lot of online events though every week. Then this is the new thing that I have started taking care of, which is the CSR part as well. So these things I currently handle. Before I jump into the session, since you all are aware it's morning, I just wanted to have a quickly, you can say, a ice breaking session with you. So this is a small quiz of 2 questions. I hope everyone is ready. So what I'll do to play this quiz, what you guys have to do, you guys have to log into this website, which is called www.menti.com. Maybe use your mobile phone or use your laptop, use any device, log on to this website, www.menti.com, and enter this code. The point is, I wanted to know how do you express yourself when you think of marketing? So just log on to this, you will see this question, what is marketing? And I want you to write 1 or 2 words that you relate with marketing. आपको क्या लगता है मार्केटिंग से जो भी आपके दिमाग में आता है 1 या 2 वर्ड्स, just write those words. So before I move in, at least I'm sure you guys all are aware very well what marketing is. Expression, right? Advertising, absolutely right. Visibility, that's right. Brand awareness, magic, branding. Marketing is, of course, magic. Very nicely said. Brand images, conveying your message to, okay. This is great to see, that at least we are on the same page. We 110 people, we all agree that marketing is all about how you can create that magic, how you can uh, promote your product to the right set of audience, create awareness, create that visibility, create that brand awareness to the right audience at the right time. So thank you, everyone. This gives me an idea that we all are thinking from the same page. Uh, what I'll do, I quickly jump on to the next quiz. See, this quiz, this is kind of a poll, and this is also relatable to one of the most important agenda that I'll be covering today. I'll be not talking only the Gyan from marketing, but I'm also here to help you understand that what exactly are your challenges and how can marketing can help you solve those challenges. So if you can just poll, see, we are all facing a tough time. You know that our sales team, our business team, we are sitting at home, and maybe we all are facing some of the other problem when it comes to acquiring new customers. So what do you think are the most, maybe one or all of these are the problems that you are currently facing when it comes to acquiring new customers? Okay, so one, I think a lot of people are agreeing to all of above. Some are also agreeing to reaching out to right person. See, the point is, now I'm getting to know your pain area, and I'll focus on those points in my presentation. For example, reaching out to right person, yes, I'll cover that point absolutely. How can with the digital marketing you can reach out to your right person? Account intelligence, yes, that will also be covered. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for your poll. I'm just now switching back to my website, this presentation. So quick look at the content. How will we proceed? I'll just quickly tell you how the marketing has evolved in last maybe 50 or 100 years. Then we'll look at how the marketing has evolved today during the COVID, in terms of what all digital assets we can now use, how we can use digital marketing to reach out to your customer. Maybe if you want to reach out a specific vertical or specific customer or specific persona. Then customer retention, which has also become very important with the increasing competition in the market. Then at the end, we'll have the Q&A session, and not at the end. At the end, I also wanted to make this session more interactive. So feel free to unmute yourself at any time. I'll stop there. If you have any questions, just feel free to unmute and ask me the question. Then and there I'll stop. So before we start the digital age of marketing, let's take some 60 seconds and go maybe 100 years back, that how actually the marketing has evolved in last 100 years. I have taken this advertisement of Ford. So if you see, marketing goes back वैसे तो several centuries, but people start using it in a very formal way, or in a very, what you say, an organized way, since the late 1800s, 18th century or 1900. And I have taken example. Somebody wants to say, okay. And I've taken the example of Ford specifically here, because Ford is one of those companies. It's considered one of those companies who was the first company to use marketing to grow their business. Ford was also the one of the first companies in the world who started the mass production of cars, who achieved that economies of scale with mass production. So the point is, at that time, people used to have not so many channels of marketing. People used to have newspapers, billboards, or maybe radio. And then going forward in 1960s to 1980s, then the marketing, then with the technology, we added more medium to the marketing channel. We added television, then we added phones. And the marketing used to happen on that mediums as well. Then in 1980s onwards, we all know that we all used to see these advertisements of Maggie, of Liril, of Synthol on television. Then there comes the digital age of marketing. Then now with the technology, the marketing is not limited to only the traditional ways, the television, the billboards, or maybe the FM. The technology has completely reshaped the approach of marketing. And especially in the COVID, when you talk about the digital transformation, I must tell you one thing: the digital transformation has happened in all the verticals, and in fact, almost all the industries now. There's also one department within the organization where this transformation is happening, which is marketing. The marketing's not the same which it used to be 2 years back. It has also gone under a serious digital transformation within the organization. We know, you remember, right? कैसे हम लोग पहले we used to do those large events, physical events. We used to get the customers for a nice evening. We used to offer drinks, one technical session, then some entertainment. You remember, right? हम लोग वो हॉलीवुड से US से बुला के लाए थे अकी कुमार को. We call that French band also, the jazz band, for our customers. वो हमारे लिए भी easy होता था marketing point of view से. Customers they were more okay to attending these kind of event. They also used to have that Friday evening enjoyment, coming out and meeting their friends, having a drink. But when this COVID happened, the challenges that sales team is facing, the same challenges we also face at marketing. Now, what exactly? Because I tell you, most of the budget used to go in planning the physical events. That were in fact, if you consider the B2B market, events used to be the top thing in all the B2B industry to attract new customers. But now we were not able to do it. So what we did, we tried some digital ways of marketing in last 1 year. And this would be very interesting for all the business people here and all the marketing people here to know that we have done a lot of things in marketing since last 1 year when it comes to digital. And our findings are that these are the top three marketing activities that has helped us in generating the maximum number of leads and revenue from marketing. We place CIO roundtables at the top, and I'll cover each and every aspect of this digital marketing that I'm showing in detail as well, with some real life example that how we have used these points and how we have able to generate revenue from these activities as well. Company website, email campaigns, Google search. There are some of those activities which are not led us to maybe more revenue, but from the branding point of view, what you call as going into the large events, sponsoring an event. We also tried doing a print ad with Dell, did not work out very well. Facebook, Instagram, so more from a branding point of view, but not from the sales revenue point of view. So marketing in digital age, what I have done is I have categorized all the marketing activities that we can do in marketing. I have categorized them into three different categories. One is the digital battle cards. With digital battle cards, I mean to say what all the digital assets that we can create nowadays that we can help to maybe use with the customer in some meetings or send to customers. It's not only about reaching the right customer. अगर आपकी सेल्स टीम के पास राइट टूल्स भी नहीं है तो वो कस्टमर के सामने प्रेजेंटेशन भी क्या देंगे, right? So I'll deliberate on this digital battle cards also, what kind of digital cards or maybe digital assets that we can create in marketing now that will help you grow your business. Then very importantly, one of the major, what you say, the pain point for every business person, how marketing now will help us to reach out to the right customer, maybe the right vertical or the right decision maker, how we can use marketing, right? Through maybe social media or maybe digital marketing or Google. Then the third thing is the customer retention. I'm not sure that how many people take customer retention seriously or how many of you think from that point of view, but this is again a very important point when it comes to growing your business. See, nowadays, those days are gone that you can win a order on the basis of pricing or on the basis of the level of partnership. In fact, we are saying every day we used to have that advantage some time back that we used to be the top level partner for all the OEMs in India. Now the scenario has come that in fact in Apple, there are 3-4 other AEs coming. For every OEM, there are other brands, other IT companies who are getting the same level of partnership. So how we can create that differentiator, how we can convince the customer that they stick with us for a longer period of time, they don't go anywhere. I start with the first thing, which is digital battle cards. Okay. With digital battle cards, I mean to say the customer facing assets that we can create and we can give it to the sales team. And the top thing, the topmost asset that comes into my mind when I talk about this is the standardized proposals. Proposals is one thing, trust me, that has the biggest impact on the customer when you are trying to crack the first deal with them. Abhi kya hota hai, for example, let's say if you go to a customer, right? There are already 2-3 partners who are pitching to the same customer. How will you make sure that the customer has not done any business with you? How can you make sure that the customer believes in you, that this is the company I want to work with? For those cases, proposal becomes one of that most important thing, which gives that first reaction or first impression to the customer that yes, they'll be going with the right partner. I'll show you some real life examples also that how at WS in last 1 year, we have used some proposals, some nice proposals to crack the largest deal in our company. I'll show some real life examples to you. After proposals, one thing is the vertical wise presentations or product wise presentations. I have seen a lot of sales people have facing this problem that whenever, let's say, they are going to any customer meeting, they look for something. Maybe they want to have a presentation that relates to the customer. Maybe let's say if they're going to meet a pharma customer, do they have a vertical pharma specific presentation or something to say? Maybe if they're going to meet a retail customer, do they have a retail specific presentation. I'll cover this also, how we have created these vertical wise or product wise presentations. Then website and online. This also becomes very important because the data that Google and LinkedIn are releasing now, that says that the online traffic, it has doubled since COVID. So people are 2 times more active on LinkedIn or in Google. They are going online, they're searching for different things, they're searching for maybe products, services. So that's why I think that having your own website that can give knowledge to the customer, that also becomes a very important thing. I'll show you in the subsequent slide that how websites are helping us also in getting good amount of revenue. I start with the proposals because I think that's the most important thing. These are some real proposals that we have created, right? अब हमने इसमें करा क्या? One is the proposal that we have created for different organization. We have also standardized the proposals. एक जो चीज आपकी sales team को और हमारी sales team को भी जो आती थी, they did not want to create a good proposal when they're sending. वो पहले Excel में ही भेज देते थे जो भी quote होता था. Now in WS it is mandatory to send even if the order is for 5 lakh rupees or maybe even if the order is for 2 laptops. It's mandatory for everyone to use a standard template to send that quote. We don't send any template or any quote, any proposal in Excel or normal PDF. तो हमने प्रपोजल भी उसी हिसाब से बना दी है. अगर मान लो 4 से 5 लाख की अगर कोई डील है तो उसके लिए एक छोटा प्रपोजल है 4 से 5 पेजेस का. अगर कोई बड़ी में भी कोई बड़ी डील है 50 लाख की, 1 करोड़ की, 2 करोड़ की, तो उसी के लिए एक बड़ा प्रपोजल है. इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक है, ऑटो की, फार्मा की, तो उसके लिए अलग अलग प्रपोजल्स हैं. एंड ऑल दीज प्रपोजल आर स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड. दे आर kept into the sales drive at Google. So anyone can log into the Google Drive. They can go there. They can pick up the proposal. Usme most of the things are already there. They just have to change maybe the company logo or company name and add the commercials and send it. पहले क्या होता था? पहले वो आते थे डिजाइन टीम के पास बनवाते थे. इनफैक्ट छोटे के लिए छोटे हमने बना दिए. They are also completely with the entire company profile and everything. The actual benefits that we have got. The proposal earlier, a good proposal, big proposal used to take around 2 days to complete, right? Because वो पहले आता था हमारे पास, फिर हम कंटेंट लिखते थे, फिर डिजाइन टीम के पास जाता, डिजाइन टीम बनाती थी. It has reduced to 75%. Now they don't have to know either come to me or the design team. They just pull out the standardized template from the drive and edit it. And it has become so good. I tell you, the feedback that I received the sales team, Amazon, Royal Enfield, Bosch & Lobb, Biocon, all these customers proposals have made a huge impact there. A huge impact, I mean to say, customer ने सामने से आके बोला है कि that the presentation and the proposal that we have sent, we have never seen such kind of a proposal or the presentation from any other partner, and we want to work with you. And we just don't keep these proposals as it is. We keep on updating them and doing the changes as and when required. Similarly, along with the proposal, we have also created some presentations as well. So आज के it becomes very necessary, like I talked about, for the sales team also to have specific presentations. So we have presentations also ready, product wise. For example, let's say अगर आपको एक कंपनी किसी कस्टमर को मैक पिच करने जाना है मैकबुक का, तो स्टार्टिंग की स्लाइड सेम रहती हैं, टीम कंप्यूटर्स का इंट्रो हो गया. बट व्हेन यू गो ऑन, व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द मैक्रो पिक्चर, मे बी स्पेसिफिक टू सरफेस हब or Apple or MacBook or maybe work from home or pharma or auto, then उसके बाद नीचे की slides change हो जाती हैं. And all the slides are ready, kept on drive, so the sales team can use it easily. White paper is another digital asset. मैं भी आपको बता रहा था that people, the online time of people that has increased. So we have started creating white papers as well. And white papers ka, in the subsequent slide, I show you the real life examples, how white papers have actually, people have gone ahead, read our white papers, contacted us that we read your white paper, we want to more about your product or service, and we have closed that customer as well. Or white paper ke sirf ye nahi, it helps you in your SEO and everything I'll talk it about. We have created white papers for products for different verticals as well, which we are now circulating to customers through LinkedIn, or maybe through different channels. Website का मैं आपको बता रहा था. Website is another very important thing that you should not take what you say for granted. I tell you, in fact, along with Google, LinkedIn, people know they have released the data. Our team computer website, उसका traffic भी जो है, that has also gone up drastically in last 1 year. कहाँ हमारे पास जो 4-5 हजार 6 हजार हमारे पास hits आते थे, we are getting more than 10,000 hits on our team computer website every month. अब वो जो लोग आ रहे हैं, वो लोग हमारी टीम computer website पे products and services के लिए आ रहे हैं ना. अगर वो हमारी website पे आ रहे हैं, so do we have that content ready on our website to showcase all the customers? तो इसीलिए what we did, हम लोगों ने WS में we have created some small micro websites that we call. एक तो टीम कंप्यूटर्स की वेबसाइट है, उसके बाद फिर स्पेसिफिक माइक्रो वेबसाइट भी है फॉर एवरी प्रोडक्ट लाइन. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर यू कैन सी द एप्पल माइक्रो साइट दैट हैज बीन क्रिएटेड. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ अभी इसका फायदा भी इस नेक्स्ट 2-3 स्लाइड में कि हमें माइक्रो वेबसाइट का क्या फायदा हुआ है जो हमने बनाई है. एज ऑफ नाउ अराउंड 15 to 20% द एंटायर टीम कंप्यूटर ट्रैफिक कम्स ऑन द एप्पल वेबसाइट. हमारा एसईओ इतना अच्छा हो गया है, इतना अच्छा हो गया हमारा एसईओ. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ अभी. अगर आप इस टाइम गूगल पे जाके सर्च करते हो एप्पल ऑथराइज्ड एंटरप्राइज रीसेलर इन इंडिया, या फिर अगर आप गूगल पे जाके सर्च करोगे एप्पल कॉर्पोरेट रीसेलर इन इंडिया, हमारा जो टीम कंप्यूटर्स का एप्पल का वेबसाइट है, इट रैंक नंबर 1. आप उसके ऊपर जो 2-3 लिंक देख रहे हो वो एप्पल के खुद के ही हैं. सी वी कैन नॉट बीट द एप्पल. एप्पल का लिंक हमसे हमेशा ही ऊपर रहेगा. उनको बीट करना इट्स नियर टू इम्पॉसिबल बिकॉज वो ग्लोबल लेवल पे काम करती है. उनकी रैंकिंग दे कम इन द बेस्ट टॉप 100 वेबसाइट अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. बट उसके बाद अगर किसी भी पार्टनर का नाम आता है दूसरे या तीसरे नंबर पे, जो लिंक्स के बाद एप्पल के बाद, वो टीम कंप्यूटर्स की वेबसाइट आती है और कोई पार्टनर नजर नहीं आता वहां पे. इट्स ऑल बिकॉज दैट हम लोगों ने अपनी वेबसाइट इतनी अच्छी बना लिया, माइक्रो वेबसाइट. गूगल करता है जब वो देखता है ना, गूगल का एक इंडेक्सिंग होता है, जब गूगल चेक करता है कि हाँ इस टीम कंप्यूटर्स की वेबसाइट पे एप्पल के बारे में इतना सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है, तो वो उस वेबसाइट को अपने सर्च रिजल्ट में सबसे टॉप पे कर देता है. अब आप एक बात बताओ, जब हमारी वेबसाइट टॉप पे है और लोग भी आ रहे हैं, so there's a very high chance that people are coming on Google and they search for Apple Corporate Reseller India. It's like कि आप कस्टमर को एक प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस की रिक्वायरमेंट है और आप उनको बड़ा आसानी से बता पा रहे हो कि हाँ अगर आपको ये चीज चाहिए जो हमारे पास है. So this is the importance of having a good website in today's era, especially now when COVID is happening. And I tell you, we are getting almost 1 lead every day from our Apple website or other website. And the conversion that we have, 50% of the leads easily gets converted into business. Reason being, इन customers को हम लोग खुद नहीं ला रहे. ये वो customers हैं जो एक product की तलाश में, सर्विस की तलाश में खुद ढूंढते ढूंढते हमारे पास आ रहे हैं. अगर हम लोगों की वेबसाइट नहीं होती तो इसके जगह टीम कंप्यूटर से कोई और वेबसाइट आ रही होती, मे बी SRSD की आ रही होती या कोई और पार्टनर का, तो वहां से ले लेता वो. हमने तो खाली कस्टमर को ये बता दिया कि अगर आपको ये चीज चाहिए आप ढूंढ रहे हो तो हमारे पास आओ. सिमिलरली हम लोगों ने ये सरफेस की वेबसाइट बना रखी है. दिस इज अ फुल फ्लेज वेबसाइट. जो भी आपको दिखा रहा हूँ और कोई पार्टनर कर भी नहीं रहा. इट्स ओनली टीम कंप्यूटर्स हु आर डूइंग दिस स्टफ एंड वी आर गेटिंग ऑन सरफेस वेबसाइट ऑल्सो. हमारे पास सरफेस की वेबसाइट से भी ऑलमोस्ट 15 to 20 लीड्स एवरी मंथ वी आर कमिंग. 2 days back I have received a lead from a very large organization for 4 Surface Hub, और जहां पे कोड भी जा रहा है आज. वो खुद ढूंढते ढूंढते हमारे पास आते हैं. अब मैं आपको सरफेस की वेबसाइट कर दूंगा. इट्स नॉट विद एप्पल. हमारा सरफेस की वेबसाइट पे भी दिस इज ऑल्सो नाउ 6-7 months ओल्ड वेबसाइट. इफ यू गो ऑन सर्च ऑन गूगल फॉर सरफेस पार्टनर्स इन इंडिया, आवर वेबसाइट विल कम एट द सेकंड नंबर ऑन गूगल सर्च. इमेजिन कि अगर कोई कंपनी का आईटी का बंदा या परचेज का बंदा सिर्फ सरफेस पार्टनर्स इंडिया के नाम से गूगल पे सर्च कर रहा है, तो आवर वेबसाइट इज लाइंग एट द टॉप इन गूगल सर्च. आप कस्टमर को बता रहे हो कि सरफेस चाहिए, आप हमसे लो. एंड ये अगर कस्टमर्स की मेंटालिटी ही यही है, कोई गूगल पे देख रहा है वो सबसे, आप भी जब गूगल पे सर्च करते हो आप थोड़ी ना कि आप सबसे नीचे वाले लिंक्स पे क्लिक करते हो. यू क्लिक ऑन द टॉप मोस्ट लिंक्स, राइट? सो these were some of the digital assets that I showed you that we can create. In fact, if you see our proposal, we have very smartly हर एक proposal में हमने सिर्फ उन्हीं इंडस्ट्री के लोगोस डाल रखे हैं. इनफैक्ट आई माइट टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. हमारे जो राउंड टेबल्स भी होते हैं, जैसे आज भी हमारा फार्मा का राउंड टेबल है, सो उसमें क्या होता है 10 minutes का एक हमारे जैसे तेजस ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट्स 1 10-minute सेशन फ्रॉम टीम कंप्यूटर साइट, राइट, राउंड टेबल के अंदर. वी ऑल्सो डू द सेम थिंग. अगर फार्मा का आज राउंड टेबल है ना, So Tejas sir की website or presentation में the major chunk of logos would be of pharma verticals, because ये अगर हम उनके vertical को maybe manufacturing कहेंगे, they will not be able to relate. They will not be able to create that confidence in the customer that customer हमारे vertical में काम कर रहा है, हमसे they have the expertise in our domain. See, microsites are kind of a pages in the Team Computers website, जो कि Team Computers /dot वो micro website होती है. So they are kind of a pages under Team Computers website. वो है टीम कंप्यूटर्स का पार्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से अगर किसी ने सर्च करा, अगर वो एप्पल, मान लो अगर आपने स्टाफिंग का डाल रखा है अपनी माइक्रो वेबसाइट में, अगर कोई आपके स्टाफिंग पे पेज पे आएगा तो वो उसी पेज से टीम कंप्यूटर्स की वेबसाइट पे भी जंप कर सकता है, वहां पे लोगों पे क्लिक करके, क्योंकि है वो अल्टीमेटली टीम कंप्यूटर्स की वेबसाइट का ही प्रिंसिपल का पार्ट. इट्स नॉट अ स्टैंड अलोन माइक्रो वेबसाइट. I think this is one of the most important agenda of today's week, that how can you reach out to the right customer nowadays. So for that, I have a couple of suggestions that we have done and tried and tested. The first and foremost thing is start using LinkedIn very actively. LinkedIn इतना important चीज है. अब मैं आपको फटाफट समझाऊंगा LinkedIn के बारे में भी going for in subsequent slides. I want not be able to cover the entire LinkedIn part, but I'll cover some short part, so that will help you. Then the second thing is using Sales Navigator. This thing has helped us a lot. I'm not sure. Can anyone tell me in the audience who are using Sales Navigator as of now? Anyone in the audience who are using Sales Navigator?
Sagar, I'm using.
Oh, good, Kshitij, good. WS के team के अलावा any other BU using Sales Navigator?
सागर वो मैंने वो लूसा लिया था, लूसा उसको लेता हूँ.
अच्छा, ओके ओके.
5,000 रुपए 10,000 रुपए का हर महीने ले लेता हूँ जब रिक्वायर्ड होता है. जब लीड्स मेरे पास नहीं होती है तो उसे खरीद लेता हूँ. उससे कुछ लीड्स इंटरनेशनली नेशनली निकल जाते हैं.
Okay. Sales Navigator is one of the most powerful thing that you will ever come across in the today's scenario. So all the business heads who are here, all the business people, please pay your attention for next 10 minutes. I'll be covering the Sales Navigator and LinkedIn part now. Then the virtual CIO roundtables, trust me, this has helped us a lot. I'll cover how we are doing successful CIO roundtables, which are all actually getting converted into revenue, and not just we are doing any event for the sake of doing events. Then direct emails. I'll talk about direct emails, how we are now stop doing direct emails. I'll come to this part also. So starting with this very interesting topic, going social with LinkedIn, I'll cover it shortly. This is a vast topic, trust me. It can take 2 hours if I go on talking about LinkedIn, that how LinkedIn can be the most important channel for you, for all the business people, not for the marketing people. For all the business people, this is the most important thing for you nowadays. And what makes LinkedIn very special apart from other social media channels, वो एक saying है that people spend time on other networks, but they invest time on LinkedIn. LinkedIn एक ऐसा network है जहां पे you will never see any funny video or maybe let's say any dancing video or any TikTok video. People on LinkedIn, they mean serious business. So that's why your audience, our audience that we want to target is on LinkedIn. And if we are not spending more time on LinkedIn, we should become active and start spending time on LinkedIn as much as we spend on Facebook or on Instagram. LinkedIn ki India ki story, I tell you, if you think that want to know that how many people, there are around 7.5 crore active members from India on LinkedIn, which contribute the second largest market for LinkedIn. Also, about 10% of the total community of LinkedIn is from India. So that's the numbers. If you talk about that, so many people from India are on LinkedIn. Now you talk about every professional or decision maker, they are there on LinkedIn. And as per LinkedIn, अगर वो देखते हैं decision makers की history, they have certain algorithms. As per LinkedIn, as of now, more than 70 lakh decision makers from India are currently active on LinkedIn. I have already covered this, that the traffic on LinkedIn, it has grown very high. It has almost become double in the COVID time. That's why सबके लिए it becomes very important to become active on LinkedIn. अभी LinkedIn में ना, see, to exactly tap the power of LinkedIn, this diagram will exactly tell you कि LinkedIn में exactly why LinkedIn becomes very important for you. See, you have a circle on LinkedIn, and LinkedIn has more than 70 lakh decision makers. So the more you will stay active on LinkedIn, the more you will be able to connect with those other people who are there on LinkedIn. And trust me, you never know कौन सा बंदा आपको कौन सी opportunity लेकर आ जाए. There are a lot of ways to stay active on LinkedIn. Maybe they are more of updating your status actively on LinkedIn, liking other posts, commenting on some your people who are following, sharing other posts. Here I'm talking about from the business point of view, how you can use LinkedIn to grow your business specifically. So LinkedIn में क्या होता है? LinkedIn gives us a lot of different opportunities to promote our products and services. I'll show you some examples. For example, this is a carousel campaign. This is kind of a campaign that you can run on LinkedIn with different messaging. It scholar की तरह आता है. A person will see this creative and he can scroll to different 4-5 images where you can put different messaging on each and every creative. Then you can put video campaigns on LinkedIn. Then you can put white papers के. अब मैं white paper जो आपको दिखा रहा था, what we do, हम लोग white paper को we do paid campaigns on LinkedIn. We actually invest. We are actually at WS. We're actually investing money on LinkedIn. हम white papers बना के we start running campaign on specific list of people. For example, let's say अगर मेरे को 8500 की कंपनीज टारगेट करनी है, इट्स वेरी इजी. मेरे को 8500 की कंपनीज को लिंक्डइन पे टारगेट करने के लिए मेरे को वहां के लोगों का नाम भी नहीं चाहिए. I just want to have a list. अगर if I have list of 500 companies that I want to target, I can upload that Excel on LinkedIn and I can tell LinkedIn कि मेरे को इस कंपनी में से CIO, IT head या GM IT को मेरे को ये white paper दिखाना है. उसके बाद वो बंदा जब भी अपना LinkedIn खोलेगा उसको हमारा white paper या हमारा वीडियो या हमारा पोस्ट दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. LinkedIn is so powerful. एंड मैं आपको दिखाता हूं. आई नाउ शो यू कि हमने LinkedIn के पेड फीचर कैसे यूज करके वी हैव एक्चुअली क्रैक्ड सम ऑफ द बिगेस्ट अकाउंट्स एट WS. ये these are other brand awareness campaigns that we are doing on LinkedIn. This is some figures for you. In last 3 months, with all the paid campaign that I've done on LinkedIn, we were able to close 1.350 of revenue from LinkedIn only, and this only from the new customers. And उसमें से अभी 2.5 crore already funnel में है. Total 52 leads got generated in last 3 months on LinkedIn. So I just now quickly show you that how exactly the campaigns, paid campaigns on LinkedIn works. अब होता क्या? For example, let's say this is an example of Apple MacBook TCO campaign कि MacBook जो है वो कैसे आपका जो IT spend है वो कम कर सकता है. तो हमने अगर हम जो मैंने आपको white paper दिखाया था, we uploaded that white paper on LinkedIn. Then we run this campaign. हमने एक लिस्ट थी हमारे पास डिजिटल नेटिव्स की 8500 की ITs की. हमने सारी लिस्ट अपलोड कर दी LinkedIn पे कि भैया ये 700 कंपनीज हैं, हमें हमारी एप्पल की एड इन 700 कंपनीज को चलानी है. उसके बाद होता क्या है कि उसको कस्टमर को ऐसी एड दिखती है जैसा ये आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो. यहाँ पे प्रमोटेड भी लिखा आता है. दिस मीन्स दैट दिस इज एन पेड एड दैट द कस्टमर इज सीइंग राइट नाउ. Then the customer also sees this download button. And if customer is interested, they can click on the download button and download the white paper. But before downloading the white paper, the customer has to fill this form as well. And this form automatically captures the basic information from the customer, which is the customer mobile number, the company, the organization, employee size, and their personal email ID. But हम इसको customize भी कर सकते हैं form के साथ. I want to quickly show you that how we have able to close some good accounts from LinkedIn as well. ये एक्चुअली एक नॉर्मल प्रोसेस है दैट वी फॉलो. द लीड्स गेट जनरेटेड, देन नो इट्स गेट रिसीव्ड ओवर द ईमेल बाय मी, देन वी पास ऑन टू द इनसाइड सेल्स टीम, एंड द इनसाइड टीम देन कनेक्ट द कस्टमर एंड क्लोज दिस डील. The real life example is this. So this is the example of Zymer. Zymer is one global company that has offices in India as well. So what we did, we were running a campaign on this TCO white paper campaign on LinkedIn. Then Zymer's senior person, he saw our ad on LinkedIn. And when he saw our ad on LinkedIn, he clicked on the download button, and as per the process works, he filled this information and the lead got generated, the capture, and it came to us. Now what we did, we passed on this information to our inside sales team. So we have our inside sales team also at WS, जिनका काम है to target majorly SMB companies को. So what I do, all the the SMB leads I forward to the inside sales team. So I forward that lead to the inside sales team. Then they got connected with Zymer. उन्होंने बोला कि आपने ऐसे एक white paper download करा था LinkedIn पे, how they can help. And after that, almost everything we were able to close 20 lakhs already. उसको टोटल 50 मैकबुक्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है, 20 हमने ऑलरेडी क्लोज कर ची हैं और अभी 20 मैकबुक्स जो है ओवरऑल 50 lakhs है, इस मंथ जो है वो बाकी का भी क्लोज हो जाएगा. दिस इज वन एग्जांपल. Another example is of the Thompson Daughters. Again, the IT head of Thompson Daughters, he came across this lead, this ad on LinkedIn that we were running. He filled up this form. He contacted me कि ऐसे ऐसे उनको चाहिए. Then अब Thompson Daughters is a big account. When I got this data from the LinkedIn that Thompson Daughters guy is trying to contact us, then for the big customers, I pass on this lead to the product managers, not to the inside sales team, because these are big accounts. Then again, Pankaj Chauhan, who's the Apple regional manager for North in our team, he contacted with the customer and we were able to close an RC for Apple and Samsung, where we are expecting around 1.2 crore of annual revenue. So this is actually the power of LinkedIn. हम लोगों को भी, in fact, this is also a recent experience for me that LinkedIn is working so well nowadays. People are spending so much their time on online, on social media, on Google to look for products and services. Then I'll skip this part because we are running short of time. Maybe we'll plan a separate session on LinkedIn sometime later if you want to know about LinkedIn, because it's a vast topic. LinkedIn, it's a maybe 1 or 2 hour session entirely on LinkedIn, that how can LinkedIn you can unleash the power of LinkedIn to target the right set of people. So this is just to give an idea that you can start doing this with your marketing team as well. Start using LinkedIn. So this is an idea. If you want to know, somebody wants to know, I'm sure that a lot of business that wants to know that what's the costing involved. So maybe this is the costing that we're currently spending. With 30,000 rupees per month on LinkedIn, you can reach up to 30 to 40,000 new people. You can show your ad to 30 to 40,000 people and 70,000 impressions, which ideally gives you 400 clicks and on an average 25 to 30 leads. और अगर मैं पूरे साल की बात करूं, जो अभी मैंने अपने WS के बजट में डाला है, so we have created a budget for LinkedIn specifically कि इस साल हम लोग LinkedIn को extensively use करेंगे. And imagine with 30,000 rupees per month, we'll be able to reach 2.5 lakh decision makers. And we are expecting more than 10 crore of revenue from LinkedIn only. Now, if I'm sure you guys have heard about Sales Navigator. So again, Sales Navigator is one thing that can help you find out your right set of target audience very quickly. I'm now about to give you a live demo of Sales Navigator also. Sales Navigator एक ऐसा टूल है जहां पे आपको पूरी परमिशन मिलती है और पूरी आपको वो फ्रीडम मिलती है that you can search for companies as per region wise, vertical wise, employee size, कि आप उस कंपनी में कितना एम्प्लॉय साइज होना चाहिए. वो सारे फिल्टर्स आप जो सोच सकते हो ना, अब वो सारे फिल्टर्स आप लिंक्डइन में लगा सकते हो. अब फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से हरपाल सर, इफ यू आर विद अस.
Yeah, Sagar, I'm there.
हरपाल सर, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से एक बात बताओ, एनी वर्टिकल दैट यू थिंक you have in mind, maybe insurance और फार्मा, आपको लगता है कि आजकल अगर ये फार्मा वर्टिकल बहुत ज्यादा चल रहा है तो, और हेल्थ केयर, आई वांट टू नो, सी द टॉप कंपनीज ऑफ फार्मा इन इंडिया. आप just give me a random example and I'll show you that how you can use Sales Navigator to find your right companies.
So our focus, Sagar, this year is on retail.
Okay. So what exactly do you need in retail? You want to search for retail companies in India?
So we know big retail companies in India.
Okay.
Maybe key stakeholders and contacts.
Okay.
And if we can find on this tool, how much IT spend they have planned for the current year and all those things.
आप एक बात बताओ हरपाल सर, for example, let's say when you say that you know the list of retail companies in India, ideally how much time you would have spent in compiling that list of retail companies? कि ये रिटेल कंपनीज हैं इंडिया की टॉप 50, उनका इतना एम्प्लॉय साइज है, उनका हेड ऑफिस यहाँ पे है, उनका एम्प्लॉय से जितना ग्रोथ
So-
हो रहा है revenue
So we,
कितना-
so that is, we don't have a comprehensive list as of now,
okay
but we do have top 4-5 customers which are there in our funnel. But
Okay.
then, but yes, we need to build a comprehensive list on this vertical.
okay for example let's say if I ask you कि अगर आप रिटेल की लिस्ट बनाने जाओगे you will spend how much time in creating that entire list with maybe top 50 accounts with employee size with their employee growth size और head office कितना टाइम आईडी लग जाता है ऐसी लिस्ट क्रिएट करने में
Couple of weeks.
right I'll show you how you can get that list in couple of clicks within just 2 minutes यहाँ पे this is the filter in sales navigator right I go to the account filter यहाँ पे there's a option to add industry normal filters हैं then what I do since we are dealing in India I will यहाँ पे quickly enter now India अब ऐसा भी कुछ फिल्टर है कि that you want company headcount also कि इतना एटलीस्ट कंपनी का हेडकाउंट होना चाहिए
Right.
कितना
Turnover headcount
आप मेरे को हेडकाउंट बताओ कितना हेडकाउंट यू थिंक
5,000 plus.
ओके सो यहाँ पे आई हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू क्लिक ऑन हेडकाउंट एज वेल अब मैंने कर दिया आई क्लिक ऑन सर्च विद इन जस्ट कपल ऑफ सर्च सी द लिस्ट ऑफ द रिटेल कंपनीज दैट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एंड इतना ही नहीं एम्प्लॉय साइज और एग्जैक्टली कि उन कंपनीज में कितने लीडरशिप चेंजेस हुए इन लास्ट 3 months 4 सीनियर मैनेजमेंट हायर्स आपको इतना डिटेल इंसाइट मिलता है इन कंपनीज के इस टूल के थ्रू दैट विद इन कपल ऑफ क्लिक्स यू कैन नो गेट द एंटायर डेटा दैट यू नीड जिसके लिए स्पेंडिंग डेज और वीक्स इन फाइंडिंग दैट डेटा एंड नॉट विद रिटेल लेट्स से एक बड़ा हॉट वर्टिकल है आज की डेट में अब जैसे ये दिखा रहा है 88 कंपनीज 88 कंपनीज ऐसी हैं आपके लिए जिनका एम्प्लॉय इस टाइम 5,000 से ऊपर है इंडिया में एंड यू कैन नो सर्च दिस लिस्ट हियर
And Sagar, I believe you can also find out the decision makers for particular companies.
Absolutely,
through that.
absolutely. For example, let's say हरपाल सर आपने लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में देखना है कि लाइफस्टाइल में who can be a right audience, right? मैं लाइफस्टाइल पे क्लिक करा now basis on my usage on LinkedIn मेरे को ऑटोमेटिकली हायरार्की भी क्रिएट करके दे रहा है ऑटोमेटिकली उसने मेरे को मैप कर दिया कि यहाँ पे ये बिजनेस मैनेजर है ठीक है मेरे को नहीं चाहिए मैं रिमूव कर देता हूँ मेरे को उसने दे दिया वीपी आईटी है ये ठीक है उसके नीचे क्लस्टर इंचार्ज इमरान आजम खान आप देखो कि ये ऑलरेडी मेरे को हायरार्की भी बना के दे रहा है मैपिंग भी करके
सागर अगर ये इसमें वी कम टू नो कि ही इज द राइट पर्सन सो कैन वी गेट हिज कांटेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेट्स इज देयर अ प्रोविजन
Good question, Miljon. Would be very happy to answer it. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll come to that question as well. Good question that you have asked. So यहाँ पे आपको इतना easily with couple of clicks. अब for example, let's say आपने इसको आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे recommendations भी आ रही हैं जितेंद्र मंगावे आपको इसको भी ऐड करना है. You just click on add to map ये भी ऐड हो गया. तो पूरी की पूरी एक मैपिंग और हायरार्की क्रिएट होती जाती है within just couple of clicks. एंड इतना ही नहीं उसके बाद इसमें इतने फीचर्स हैं फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से यू वांट टू कनेक्ट विद जितेंद्र मंगावे यू क्लिक ऑन जितेंद्र मंगावे वो एक ऐसे उसमें खुलेगा एंड नाउ यू कैन सेट अलर्ट्स ऑन जितेंद्र मंगावे अकाउंट प्रोफाइल जितेंद्र मंगावे की हर एक जो भी उसकी व्हाट यू से एक्टिविटी ऑन लिंक्डइन विल गिव यू एन अलर्ट ऑन योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल अब उसके बाद एक मेलजॉन का क्वेश्चन दैट हमें जितेंद्र मंगावे तो मिल गया अब हमें जितेंद्र मंगवावे की कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स कैसे मिलेंगी उसके लिए देयर इज अ थर्ड पार्टी टूल दैट इज आल्सो ऑलरेडी बीइंग इंटीग्रेटेड इनटू माय लिंक्डइन व्हिच यू कैन सी हियर व्हिच इज लूशा विद इन जस्ट वन क्लिक हरपाल सर यू सी एंड अदर पीपल ऑल हु आर हियर आई विल क्लिक ऑन शो कॉन्टैक्ट एंड मेरे पास जितेंद्र मंगावे का पर्सनल मोबाइल नंबर आ गया पर्सनल मोबाइल नंबर जिससे जितेंद्र ने लिंक्डइन पे रजिस्टर कर रखा है ये नंबर कभी गलत नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज उसने लिंक्डइन से रजिस्टर कर रखा है दिस इज सच अ पावरफुल टूल सो आई एम जस्ट स्टॉपिंग इट हियर इट्स अ सेल्स नेविगेटर इज अ वास्ट थिंग आई एम यूजिंग इट it will need another 30-40 minutes to completely explain it but I'll just want to give you a quick glimpse that how sales navigator is a really powerful tool in nowadays and the sales team or the business people you can start using it immediately if you're not using it coming to the virtual roundtable now quickly, no, thoda sa fast pace में मैं आ जाऊँ. See, virtual roundtable is another one thing that I want to discuss with you all. एक virtual roundtable हमने ऐसा एक explore करा है option. We stopped doing large events at in WS. हम लोगों ने बिल्कुल बंद कर दिया कि हम लोग किसी इवेंट में जा रहे हैं जहाँ पे 40 लोग आ रहे हैं सुनने के लिए, हम वहाँ पे 10 मिनट का मीटिंग स्लॉट ले रहे हैं. बिकॉज आई टेल यू कि इस टाइम आईटी लोग इतने ज्यादा ओवर फ्लडेड हैं इवेंट्स इनवाइट से. इवन इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स जैसी बड़ी कंपनीज के इवेंट्स में देयर आर हार्डली 10 to 15 पीपल हु वुड बी हियरिंग योर 10 or 15 मिनट सेशन. कंप्लीट वेस्टलेस नॉट ओनली ऑफ मनी बट द अमाउंट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज दैट यू ऑल्सो स्पेंड. आप जितने लोगों को लगाओगे, तैयारी करोगे, प्रेजेंटेशन बनाओगे. सो व्हाट वी डू इंस्टेड, वी आर फॉर एग्जाम्पल 8500 कंपनीज हैं, लार्ज आरटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं. हम लोग एजेंसी के साथ वी हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग वर्चुअल राउंड टेबल्स. अब इन वर्चुअल राउंड टेबल्स में क्या होता है, देयर आर ओनली 5 to 6 CIOs at once with no audience, maybe just 1 or 2 people from team computers, 1 or 2 people from OEM, around 8-10 people in a closed environment, and we do the panel discussion. And we create a topic in such a way कि जो हम CIOs को topic दें बोलने के लिए, we ask the question in a way that they talk about their IT roadmap. And these are so fruitful, these round tables, कि एक तो audience कम होती है तो CIOs open up also with each other easily. And they tell so many things कि for example कि उनको cloud पे move करना है, नहीं करना, SCI में क्या problems face कर रहे थे, Salesforce automation का pilot करने जा रहे हैं. So many insights we get to know. So this is a great way another virtual roundtables. In fact, I would say when the things get better, we should never ever let go this format of no engaging with client. Imagine आप 1-to-1 मीटिंग की जगह आप 1 घंटे के अंदर आप 5 CIOs के साथ मीटिंग कर रहे हो. एंड उसके बाद मीटिंग के बाद when you do the follow up 1-to-1 meeting, as a result that we have studied, out of those 5-6 CIOs, 3 to 4 CIOs will give you immediately meeting within the first week to have the introduction meeting, and the rest of the people also within 30 to 40 days they will also give you some time to meet. These are so powerful. Direct emails, this we have stopped doing at WS. Reason being, we have already got a lot of escalation from some companies that you are breaching our privacy. बाकी कंपनीज में क्या होता है that we take prior approval from the customers to send the direct emails. At Team Computers, we don't have such mechanism, and we are just shooting emailers every week to the entire database. This is like you are breaching someone's privacy without their consent. हम धड़ाधड़ EDM भेजे जा रहे हैं customers को. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work. I have seen couple of BMRs who use it very efficiently. Who, for example, let's say अगर TD में pharma करना है तो there are a set of only pharma companies that they are targeting. That in that case it worked perfectly fine. But choosing the entire 16,000 database and sending to it's they don't work actually. उसमें से आधे ज़्यादा तो spam में चले जाते हैं. So I would say if you want to maybe go for EDM, go very carefully. Focus more on other medium that we have just discussed.
Sagar, Sushant here. Don't we have an opt-out option in the EDMs? Because that takes care of this kind of challenges.
Absolutely, Sushant. We do have the opt-out option, but the customer asks us the questions. We have got customer escalation from giants like Tech Mahindra. They ask at the first place, you are sending us the option to opt out. Where have you taken our consent that we want to receive your promotional emails? And Sushant, not only this, maybe this is not the right forum, but a lot of people are sending EDM from their own as well, own site. Without Sandeep Saini is the what you say, the owner of the EDM right now, but he is without his consent, the EDMs go into the market. So EDM is something that I would not encourage. Maybe use it very carefully. Now, so this is the.
Are we using an EDM tool, a proper professional EDM tool, because they take care of all the anti-spamming stuff?
Yes, Sushant, we are using MailChimp, but see EDMs. May I told you कि when you even start sending it, 70% of EDMs will land in spam. So the last thing is retention of customers. I think this has also become very important with so many partnership, other IT other partners getting the same partnership level. So retention of customers, how we can add more value to it, them, how can we make sure that we engage these customers. So अगर आपके कस्टमर अच्छे हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, अगर खराब है then also this is the what I believe that responsibility for all of us to make sure that we continuously stay engaged with our customers. So uske liye what you can do is that we have recently started, now we are planning to start a CSAT score activity for the WS customers. So ideally, I'm going to get in touch with all the customers of WS with a one-on-one meeting. I'll do a survey that how do they rate ourselves. And if the CSAT score is less than 10 out of 10, I believe that then this is a problem. And the customer can leave us anytime, even if it's 9 out of 10. So how can we know? Because अगर pain points जब तक पता नहीं होंगे कस्टमर के, क्योंकि हम ना कई बार ट्रांजैक्शन पे इतना उलझ जाते हैं, हम कई बार ये कस्टमर से समझना भूल जाते हैं कस्टमर हमसे खुश कितना है. मे बी वो खुश है, बट इज ही रेटिंग 10 out of 10 to us? So how can we engage with the customer? How can we create a small survey where we can get in touch with the customer? We can take the rating. We can ask that what made you connect with us? Are you facing any problem in different areas? And then if there's a problem, if he's rating 9 out of 10 to us, then we have to make sure that we get the customer 10 out of 10 from them. Then there are a lot of other things that help us create that engagement with the customer after the sales. Let's go to the customer, create some case studies. Case studies are a great way to connect with the customers. It helps you to stay engaged with the customers. Then always try to add value to the customer with your products and services. For example, in our case, we go and try to pitch in mobility. So cross-selling of the services also is something that increases the stickiness. अगर customer आपसे 4 चीजें ले रहा है, तो customer किसी एक चीज के लिए किसी दूसरे पार्टनर के पास जाएगा भी नहीं. Because he is already taking 4 things from you. He'll say कि कोई बात नहीं, अगर मेरे को 2 पैसे महंगी मिल रही है, I'll stay with you. Your services are good. You have better portfolio to offer. I'll not go for one thing, for a cheaper thing to some other partner.